La compañía se dedica a empaque flexible.
Our company produces flexible packaging for different kinds of food products, mainly bulk packaging products.
Empaque a granel. En González Gallo tenemos el proceso.
In Guadalajara, we use a balloon extrusion process, also known as blown film extrusion, which creates our semi-finished product. We take this and print, laminate, and cut to various specifications according to customer demand. From there, we ship it to our customers.
Hace 9 meses iniciamos con el proceso de.
We started the Asprova implementation 9 months ago and are now running smoothly. Asprova creates a schedule for us twice daily. There's a lot of static and dynamic information that needs to be managed, and we use Asprova to continuously update purchase orders, production orders, maintenance orders, and inventory level.
Los principales problemas que teníamos antes de Asprova era que toda la.
Previously, we only scheduled manually using Excel, which caused many orders to be run out of sequence.
En el orden o la secuencia que el planeador manual lo había realizado porque no concordaba lo que estaba en piso con lo que había programado él en su computadora.
Because the old method of scheduling could not keep up with the reality of the shop floor, we had many delays.
Trabajo que ya teníamos colocadas ahí en piso. En el tema de la planeación manual, ya ahora con Asprova pues logramos un aprovechamiento mejor de.
With Asprova, we increased manpower efficiency by 50%.
En los temas de producto terminado.
In just 6 months, we reduced our finished goods inventory by 10%.
Y todo es en tiempo real. Y el ejecutivo de
As data is updated frequently, the sales team can monitor their orders at every stage throughout the production process.
Cuestión al cumplimiento del programa.
With manual scheduling, we were meeting our schedule only 50% of the time.
Del 50 al 80% de cumplimiento del programa, dado que también.
With Asprova, we were able to improve schedule fulfillment to 80% through validating availability of materials.
Al mismo programa.